That we're going to be using, I'm heating up the pan. The pot for it is this chicken breast fajita meat. Quick, simple, easy meal tonight, you guys. Quick and simple. It's seasoned, it's sliced already for you, and it was in the frozen section. Chicken breast fajitas, you guys. I got 2 bags of them. So let's get to this video. We're gonna be filling this thing with some goodness, y'all. You know that we're gonna have some Mexican rice. If you have not seen my Mexican rice or Spanish rice video, make sure that you check it out in the iCard. We're gonna put an iCard up here somewhere, and you'll be able to go and check out the Spanish rice. This is what it looks like. In there, there's some little fajitas, and we're keeping it simple, you guys. We're keeping it real easy and real simple tonight. This meal is not going to take you, it's going to probably take you 20 or 30 minutes, because we've already prepped these, all our seasonings. I'm just taking some more out of the other bag. What the hey, just dump it in. Why not? They're frozen, they're going to break down. We're gonna put a little bit of oil in the pan, which I probably should have done in the beginning. Just like a little teaspoon. I got 2 bags, so I'm gonna put a couple teaspoons in there. And we're not even using the quad, y'all. We're going straight up. Straight up old El Paso taco seasoning mix. Now, you can use this, or you can make your own. If you have not seen our video on how to make taco seasoning, we're gonna put that in the iCard up here as well, so that you can see how to make the taco seasoning. I made a big batch for a catering that I made, and there it is right there. So we're gonna season it with the old El Paso, but if we need some more, we're gonna use the homemade. So all you do is we have this in the skillet, and all you're gonna do is basically let this cook down until it's not frozen anymore. So we are back showing you what the chicken looks like. It's thawing out really good, and I've actually just kind of took it and broke it down some. Remember, we had some really large fajita type pieces in here. So the next step is to go in with our taco seasoning. Our taco seasoning! It's Taco Wednesday! No. And we're just gonna sprinkle that in. This is just a 1 ounce package. 1 ounce package of Old El Paso. Use any taco seasoning you want though. Use any taco seasoning you want, or make your own. Turn this down a little bit, cause that fire is hot. It's what? It's hard. It's hard. It changed the color up. Just leave it. I'm not doing that right now. Alrighty. Just chop it down. So you'll start getting like a little bit of stuckage, there. Start getting like a little bit of stuckage there. This is what we're gonna do, so we can add a little bit of volume to this. Is we're gonna add a little bit of water to this mixture right here. Oh, I got a lot of water over here. I don't need this much. About that much right there. That was about 1/4 cup, I guess. Y'all know I don't measure. And what you want to do is just turn this down. Okay, so we are back and we're going to put the crowns on the pan for you guys. Just gonna put them on there in a straight line, if possible. And you can see we have 4, and you just put these, as my mom said, in a 350-degree oven until they're golden brown and have a little sheen on them. Follow the directions on the box. 3 minutes. For about 3 minutes. Okay, alrighty. Be back when we put them all together. Or back to show you the meat. So we are back and ready to assemble our chicken taco bowl. Alright, we're going in with my Spanish rice. Let's do that first. Put some little rice up on there. Put however little or however much you want. Then we're gonna go in. Let me show you what this meat looks like. The water that we put in there just keeps it nice and moist. Keeps it moist. That's what that meat looks like. Keep it real moist. Keep it moist for you. So we're gonna add some of our meat, and again, you go in the order you see fit. If you want to start with veggies on the bottom and work your way to the top, do it. It's your tostada bowl. It's your chicken taco bowl. So do it. And then we're gonna go in with some lettuce. Got some good old green leaf lettuce right there. Already shredded up, that we shredded up earlier. Open that up. Tomatoes that we diced up earlier as well. Put a few tomatoes on there. I'm making my husband, so got some onions that we diced up as well. He likes a lot of onions. And a dollop of sour cream. Listen, when I tell you this was the easiest weeknight meal that you could ever do for yourself, it's packed with some protein that is nice and seasoned. It is packed with some good old Spanish rice. It is packed with some green leaf lettuce that is full of nutrients, tomatoes, onions, and your dairy product right there. One thing we are missing on here, don't let me forget. Let me put this down. If we don't put the cheese on this mug, then that's problem. Sprinkle that cheese on there like that. That cheese on there like yonder right there. And there you have it. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell so that you are notified every time we upload a new video. And we will see you next time on What You're Cooking, Glinda. Peace out, everybody. Have a good one.